Hello, cymru. Welcome to Welsh with Will. Those of you who follow this channel will know that I have been trying to learn Welsh for, well, forever. At present, I'm trying the Duolingo phone app. And no, this isn't a paid promotion, I just like the app, which comes in two flavours, a paid version and a free version, and I'm using the free version. I thought I'd take you one session at a time through all the practice sessions from the very beginning up to my present level, and explaining my thought processes as I do so. Now, I won't by any means always get it right, but when I do go wrong, at least you'll know how I got there. Let's do it. So, welcome back to the Duolingo practice, and today we're on wanting. So let's try that.
Cath.
Cath, which I know is cat. How do you say bacon? Well, you won't be surprised to find out it's bacwn.
Bacwn. Tatws.
Tatws. Yep, it is potatoes. How do you say carrots? Well, that isn't moron, it's moron, which is Welsh for carrots. Matching pairs. Water, so that would be dŵr.
Dŵr.
Biscuits, which is bisgedi, as you probably guess.
Bisgedi.
Honey is mel.
Mel.
To smoke, yeah, that's smuggy.
Smuggy.
And beer, of course, is cwrw.
Cwrw. Nac ydw, dwi ddim eisiau reis.
Nac ydw, dwi ddim eisiau reis. So nac ydw is no. Do I ddim, which is do I is I. Do I ddim, I don't. So I don't eisiau, which is want. Reis, which is rice. So nac ydw, dwi ddim eisiau rice. I'm going to go with no, I don't want rice. Matching pairs again. Cat, which is cath.
Cath.
Walk, I know that's cerdded.
Cerdded.
A boy, as we've done, is bachgen.
Bachgen.
Sleeping, now I know that's cysgu.
Cysgu.
And soup, of course, is cawl.
Cawl. Dwi eisiau cysgu.
Do I, which is referring to ourselves, I. Eisiau is want. And cysgu is to sleep. To sleep. Dwi eisiau cysgu, I want to sleep. Lovely. Matching pairs again. Live, or possibly live. Either way, it's byw.
Byw.
Car. Have a guess which one it is. Yes, car. Or car. I should roll the R's, really. To smoke. Smuggy.
Smuggy.
Bread is bara.
Bara.
And cat is cath.
Cath. Dych chi eisiau cysgu?
Dych chi. So that's formal again, chi, as opposed to ti, which would be informal. Dych chi. So do you? Eisiau, which is want. Cysgu, which is to sleep. Dych chi eisiau cysgu? Do you want to sleep? I will go with. There we go. No, I do not want bacon. So as we've seen earlier, one form of no is nac ydw.
Na. Ydw.
Which is obviously the one we're using here. Nac ydw. I do not. So that's do I, referring to myself. And to negativize that, I'm going to click that there. So do I ddim. So nac ydw, I don't. Want is eisiau.
Eisiau.
And bacon is bacwn.
Bacwn.
So I will go with nac ydw, dwi ddim eisiau bacwn. Yes.
Ydy hi eisiau bara brith a mel?
Ydy hi eisiau
Eisiau.
bara brith
Brith.
a mel. I think that was the whole thing, wasn't it?
Ydy hi eisiau bara brith a mel?
Yeah, so there we go. So ydy hi is, he in Welsh is obviously she. So ydy hi, does she eisiau, want, bara brith. Now, bara brith is a Welsh speciality. It's like a fruit loaf. And I think it literally stands for bread, and brith means speckled, so speckled bread. So, does she want bara brith and mel, which is honey? So I think this means, does she want bara brith and honey? Yes. I like bacon, so referring to ourselves, do
in.
Hoffi is to like, so to do the liking would be unhoffi. Do yn hoffi.
Hoffi.
Bacwn.
Bacwn.
So I'll go with do in hoffi bacwn.
Dwi eisiau tatws.
Do so referring to ourselves again, do eisiau tatws.
Tatws.
Which I think was the whole phrase.
Dwi eisiau tatws.
Yes. Do so that's referring to me. Eisiau want tatws. Do I want potatoes? I do. I want potatoes. Does she want some bara brith and honey? So asking about her would be he, of course. But you're asking a question. So ydy hi, does she want eisiau? Some bara brith. You don't have to mention some in Gymraeg. So ydy hi eisiau bara brith?
Bara brith.
And honey, mel.
Mel.
So I'm going to go with ydy hi eisiau bara brith a mel. Good. Dych chi eisiau, fill in the missing word. So it's obviously moron, which is carrots. So this is more or less a spelling test, asking you which one is the correct spelling. I'm going to go with that one. Moron. M-O-R-O-N. There we go. Potatoes. And this, as we saw earlier, is ta-a-ta-us. Tattoos.
Dych chi eisiau sydd afal neu sydd oren?
Dych chi eisiau sydd afal neu sydd oren, I think the phrase was. Oh, I've spelled that wrong. N-E-I, nay. So let's have a listen.
Dych chi eisiau sydd afal neu sydd oren?
Right, so that is dych chi, do you? Eisiau, do you want? Sydd afal. Well, afal is an apple, so sydd afal is apple juice. Neu means or. So sydd, which is juice again. Oren, which is an orange. So do you want apple juice or orange juice, basically? Let's check that out. Do you want an apple juice or an orange juice? Do you want lemon or an orange? So that'll be the same form as the last one. Dych chi eisiau. Dych chi eisiau. A lemon, which would be just lemon, L-E-M-O-N, or N-E-I, nay. An orange, which is O-R-E-N, oren. Dych chi eisiau lemon neu oren? Think that's right? Should we try it? Yes. Do you want an apple or an orange? No thanks. So, dych chi, again, dych chi eisiau an apple, which is A-V-A-L, or an orange, neu oren. So that's the end of the question, and the answer would be no thanks, which would be dim diolch. Dim diolch. So I'm going to go with dych chi eisiau afal neu oren, with the answer being dim diolch. Lovely. And that's the end of the practice. So thanks for joining me for this practice session. Please comment, like and share if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next session. Hwyl fawr i chi.